I am wearing right now one of the many shirts that Kufandi sent us for review, and I'm pretty excited because they make shirts that are, fitted, and I like that because a medium is a medium, and I wear a medium whenever I see that it's a medium. I know it's going to fit properly. Now, there is a difference with this type of shirt. I do like the top part a lot. I like the little pocket. I like the way it dresses it up, but I can also go to the beach and kind of dress down as well. So that's kind of nice, a casual and dressy type. But the bottom part, if I take it out of my pants right here, the bottom part becomes a little boxy or more of a straight line. I am usually more on the kind of like narrowed, tapered down sides. But if that's what you like and that's what you're comfortable with, I highly recommend this shirt. It's actually really nice. It is very breathable, very thin, very light. So perfect for those summer days and nights. And like I said, you can dress it up. You can make it casual. It's a really nice shirt, but straight instead of tapered. That's it.